MPI is a great American success story. Over the past 40-plus years, MPI has become the global gold standard in waxroom equipment manufacturing. To date, they have developed and introduced more systems and products than all of their competition combined. From the moment you enter their world headquarters in Poughkeepsie, New York, you understand what MPI is all about. The front lobby is well appointed and functional without being pretentious. The decor reflects the company's commitment to innovation and to challenging the status quo through both quality and efficiency. MPI's growth is due in no small part to the determination, hard work, and commitment of President and founder Bruce Phipps and the people with whom he surrounds himself. While the company's size has more than doubled over the past 3 years, it still maintains a family atmosphere, a culture that Bruce has painstakingly nurtured over time. He knows his employees on a first-name basis, and it's apparent that people are MPI's greatest asset.
Well, it started outside of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Right out of college, I worked for a machine design department of a large company. I met my ex-partner there, and he and I wanted to do something on our own. We wanted to do design and build. We wanted to have our own business. And his uncle had a company in Poughkeepsie, wherever that was, manufacturing wax injectors, whatever they were. And we ended up buying his uncle out, and he, myself, and one employee started MPI. And that's how it all began.
Bruce bought out his partner in 1984, and the company has grown steadily ever since. MPI has now become the most technically advanced supplier of waxroom equipment in the investment casting industry. They offer the most sophisticated wax injection machines in the world, generating higher casting yields, more patterns per hour, and increased productivity and throughput. In 2009, Bruce bought the entire complex they occupied at the time, expanding their facility to over 47,000 square feet. MPI's growth has been fueled by their commitment to innovation, which is firmly embedded in their DNA. Driven by the idea that things are only impossible until they've been done, Bruce and the team at MPI have introduced many waxroom innovations over the years. Bruce has a well-documented history of believing he can solve problems, and he loves working with his team to develop creative solutions.
I like building things. I love seeing things become a reality. And I've always had the ability to go out and see the problems that my customer has, and I've been able to envision solutions. I brought these back to MPI, and my team has done a fantastic job of taking that solution, that idea that I have, and creating it, making it into a reality. And we've been very fortunate that our customers have trusted MPI, and through this process, we've been able to develop our entire product line. And that's how the whole foundation for MPI has been built.
Over the past 10 years, the company has taken innovation to a whole new level by incorporating automation into the wax room. MPI has developed fully automatic robotic cells for both wax injection and pattern assembly. MPI originally collaborated with Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute and the New York State Energy Research and Development Authority in 1999 to create a prototype for the first-generation system.
I'm standing here in front of MPI's automation test cell, and as for someone who's been here for more than 30 years, I've seen and been part of some amazing developments. Most recently, the growth of automation. MPI introduced robotics into the wax room before others had even considered it.
Today, MPI's automated pattern assembly systems are built on MPI's patented wax welding process and have the flexibility to perform high-quality, precision robotic assemblies from the simplest commercial jobs to the most complex and demanding projects found in the medical and aerospace industries, including single crystal turbine blades. MPI has incorporated the best process controls into every automated function, from inserting ceramic cores, wax injection, and pattern removal to pattern setting, injection runner trimming, and inspection, and so on.
By automating the wax room, we're seeing our customers reduce scrap by as much as 50%. We're also seeing an increase in throughput 3 to 5 times that over the manual process. With our patented full fusion welding process, we're seeing increased casting yields by up to 30%.
MPI's expansion included the development of a contract pattern production and assembly department. By incorporating automated injection and assembly capabilities into the department, MPI can cost-effectively produce high-quality wax patterns and assemblies which are shipped directly to their customers. This division allows customers to experience automation and the resulting improvement on their casting yields before investing in automation for themselves.
MPI decided to invest in our technology center so we can provide our customers with a high-quality automated assembly that they can cast in their facility. And we do this at a cost-competitive price to what they're doing with their manual process today. The second reason we invested in this is so that we have a real-world wax room that we're learning from every day, and we're feeding what we learn now to our engineers for the products tomorrow.
Staying at the forefront of the industry also means demonstrating a commitment to education. MPI believes that the best equipment is necessary to train future leaders in the investment casting industry. That's why they donated a state-of-the-art 25-ton wax injector to Pittsburgh State University in Kansas, home to the only Investment Casting Institute certification program in the world. The $150,000 machine was installed in the metal casting lab at the Kansas Technology Center and was fully integrated into the investment casting curriculum. A donation of this size is unrivaled in the industry. MPI firmly believes that automation is the future of the industry. Outside-the-box thinking and constant innovation keep Bruce and the MPI team moving forward.
There's a lot of pride working at MPI. With our big customers, our equipment's really the star of their foundry. When they show our equipment to other manufacturers, they tell them this is how it should be done.
While others may try to emulate their accomplishments, MPI always manages to stay one step ahead. As the company continues to work on new and emerging technology, they never lose sight of the need to maintain their position as the leading manufacturer of traditional waxroom equipment and to be the premier service provider in the industry. If the past few years are any sign of what is to come, it is going to be amazing.